that she did not say that in her life once immediately on her live broadcast. She just want to verify. Okay, if she want to verify, who are you going to verify that source of information from? Is it not from the people that a particular of the, like one of the people that was accused of terror in Finland? She told that one of them called her, and yet she want to go verify. Verify from who? Do you understand? I don't know if I'm following what I'm saying. So I'm not here to expose what she said. No. My concern here is about this issue of terror. Okay? I want to know what you think about it. Hello?
Good morning, my brother Kai.
I greet you one number man.
Good to my brother. Man, honestly, these guys are really frustrating us.
Huh?
I mean, these guys are really frustrating us. I didn't even see your. I no longer, I no longer see your. This thing, your what do I call it? Your updates or a kind of notification. Honestly, I was just scrolling. I was just scrolling my phone. I came back from work and I was just scrolling. I saw that you are alive.
Okay.
Anyway, they can't stop us. It doesn't matter what they do. They can't stop us.
Let me correct one thing before you continue. You said that they are frustrating us. I don't understand what you mean by that.
I mean, what I mean by frustration is both we are fighting both media people, there's people in charge of their platform and not just of them.
They are not frustrating anybody. They are exposing themselves. Frustration is a very big word to you. How can that frustrate you? Are they holding you on anything? They are disgracing themselves.
Are you not aware? Sometimes there are some programs they will hear. They won't even allow it to fly. They suppress it. You know?
You mean okay.
Any program that talks about Biafra, preach about the good thing about Biafra, you see them suppressing it.
Okay, you are talking about YT.
What?
Are you talking about the group or what?
No, I'm talking of even YouTube, Facebook. They are suppressing us. That's what I'm trying to let you know.
Yeah. That is true. That's true. Of course. That one is obvious. Okay, continue. No, I understand what you mean.
No, I'm not talking about those people. Who are they? I'm not referring to them, brother.
That's why I want to know.
Well, I don't know your topic actually, but let me, based on the last caller.
The topic is very simple. What is your take on this issue of people calling USB government terrorist group and everything terror? So, what is your take on that? Are you comfortable with that? What do you think it should be a way?
My brother, if you are following Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, aside following Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, because we have found ourselves, our generation find ourselves in fact, we are the generation of freedom. You know, before now, if you are a history student, you must have been hearing some countries that fought their freedom. Even the one that happened before our very eyes is about South Africa. About South Africa during the time of Mandela. When we were children, we watched the war. Though it happens to our own side actually, but we had it as a history. But the one of South Africa, we do watch the clip on television then. Now, going by the history, we are once told that Mandela was once called a terrorist. Are you getting me? Then likewise, every other persons that rise up to fight for their freedom. Okay. Like our PM will usually say that what you called me now doesn't matter to me. What matters to him most is what we call him in the next 10 or 15 years. You know? And that same statement, our leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, have said it before this time. He said, If you are fighting for your freedom and they have not called you terrorist, that means you have not started.